Hello students, I am Harshara Datti, Senior Lecturer of Department of Computer Engineering. In this video lecture, I am going to teach you experiment number 6, write a program to implement Varnam cipher. The practical outcome of this experiment is to write the program to implement a Varnam cipher. So before that, we will see the example of Varnam cipher, how it converts the plain text to ciphertext. So let us consider this is our plain text INCLUDEHELP. So here we convert these values to A as a 0 to Z as a 25, means A is 0, B is 1, C is 2, C is 2, you can see D is 3, E is 4 into numeric value. After converting this into plain text, that is A to Z from 0 to 25 converting, we are adding the one time padding. So Varnam cipher takes the one time padding. This is the random padding. So this is what the numbers. This is a one time pad A T Q X R Z W O B Y V. We again convert this into numbers by Z as a 25 and A as a 0. See, to 0 to 25 we are again converting the one time padding character into numbers. After that we are adding these two numbers, plain text number with the one time pad number. So 8 plus 0 is 8, 13 plus 92 is 32, this is 37. So this is how the addition is take place. If next step is subtract 26 if the addition is greater than 25. So where is the addition is greater than 25 in the total, we subtract 26 from it. For example, you can see there 8 is acceptable, 32 it is more than 25. So we are going to subtract 26. Then after subtracting 26 we will get the 6. 18 is acceptable, 34 is again greater than 25, again subtract 26, we will get the 8. Likewise this 37, after subtracting 26 we will get 11, 28, after getting after subtracting 26 we will get 2, 26 it is again greater than 25, so we are going to subtract 26 from the 26, we will get 0, 21 is below the 25, it is okay, 5, again from 35 we are subtracting the 26, we will get 9, and from 36 after subtracting 26 we will get the 10. After this step we convert all these value into the character. So 0 means A, Z means 25. So whatever we get is the ciphertext. So this is how the Varnam cipher take place, take the steps to convert the plain text to ciphertext. First converting the plain text character into the numbers, then taking the one time pad randomly and again convert it into the numbers, then we add both the plain text and one time pad numbers. Then if the addition is greater than 25, then we subtract the 26 from the addition and we will get some value that we put here. Then after this step we are converting the numbers into character to get the ciphertext. Now we will see how this now we will see the program for this Varnam cipher. So this is a program for the Varnam cipher. Here we can see that there is one array, one message, key, end message and return message is written here, and this is the logic for the Varnam cipher. On this line, program asks to enter the message which is nothing but our plain text, and on this line we get the your key. Our key is nothing but a one time pad. So we are giving here plain text as a character, also we are one time padding, that is key, as a character. Then it will convert into the numbers and then get it addition. If it is greater than 25, then it will subtract from the addition, subtract 26 from the addition, and we will get final encrypted message. Also this program retrieve also our message, original message also, means it also convert our cipher text back to the plain text by reversing all the steps. Now we will run this program. So enter message, I am entering hello. So enter any key, I am entering any key. Your key size and your plain text message should be of same length. So our length of the message, plain text message, is HELLO, that is 1 2 3 4 5. So we will entering 1 2 3 4 5 key 1 2 3 4 5. So our encrypted message is this YIFPU, and your retrieve message means again we get the plain text from the cipher text, that is hello. So this is how the Varnam cipher works. Thank you.